Hey Lily, how's it going?
Is it recording?
Yeah, I said, how's it going? Hey everybody, so the cool thing about YouTube is that we get products. People send us stuff. So
Yeah.
these amazing people at BenQ, holy smokes, where's their logo? It's a really small logo, but that's their thing. They sent us one of these speakers. It looks like this. It's amazing. It's
Yeah.
it's a little bird, you know, like
Yeah, it's a nice. Why is it in, like, because you can bring them back like this
because
as
it's
well.
super portable. And there's a battery in it.
Oh.
There's a battery in it, so it lasts a long
you can plug
time.
your phone and.
You can plug your phone. It's also Bluetooth as well. It's pretty
Oh,
cool.
okay.
It's called a Trevolo S, and it's an electrostatic Bluetooth speaker, which means that these speakers here are very, very thin. Very thin. These are the speakers, and this is like the subwoofer, or like the sub, I think.
Okay.
You know? So you can actually buy two of these and pair them and have two speakers, but you can also have it as one as well. So this works on your computer as well through Bluetooth and also through a line in. There's a line in port right here,
Okay.
which is pretty awesome, and a USB to charge it. And there's like power buttons on the top, and volume buttons,
Volume.
and Bluetooth.
What's play pause here?
Play pause is to pause it like on Bluetooth. Say you have it connected to your phone and you have something and you want to
okay.
pause it there instead of on your phone. So your phone's far away, but you're right next to your speaker. You press play and
Oh,
stop.
that's cool, and you can
That's pretty
change
cool.
the.
That's the Bluetooth and the power, and the volumes are in the middle.
That's cool.
Pretty cool stuff. Comes in a great little box. Even the box itself kind of looks really pretty cool. And the wonderful people at BenQ sent it to us, and I think this is a great thing to have in a small studio. I know there's a lot of people going to college and stuff like that. They have these small spaces, small apartments. They can't bring much with them. You know, bringing something like this,
Yeah,
it's
when
like pocket size. Like, you cannot pocket, but I mean, like, you could put it inside your bag and bring it with you and
Yeah.
have a speaker.
Or if you're if you're teaching music and you want to have recordings that you can have your students listen to, or you don't want to listen off your phone, you can put that in your, because I used to teach a lot in different schools.
Sure.
So that's
Even as a
pretty
teacher, it's
cool.
helpful too. Yeah, that's
You
true.
can bring it and you can listen to some versions, or
Because listening on a
that's-
phone, listening
The
on a phone,
quality
like,
is not
not
so
so much.
good.
Like, there's like the little things on there, and this is definitely a big step up. Now we'll definitely put the price and everything down in the description. I'm not familiar with the price really. I think for what it is, it's really
So
like
it's
kind of
called
compact. It's called the,
BenQ
yeah, well, BenQ is the brand. and then
Trevolo
Trevolo
S.
S. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, I don't know. It's hard to find. Like they have the Bose speakers and those little. They have a little thing.
Yeah,
and,
the tiny round ones.
they have a lot of those things. But I feel it has more. There's more space for it inside, especially in the middle section, which is like this sort of boomy, like.
So you get more bass.
Yeah, it's really quite compact and really quite loud. It can get very loud. And I know you use it for lessons and you get to hear them. You get to hear live streamings through
Yeah.
these speakers, and you can definitely hear them pretty well.
Oh yeah, it's
know?
great, and I listen
And-
to some music on
Yeah.
it as well. It sounds good.
Yeah, and I always have the problem with old speakers or even new speakers, having two of them, by a cable, and you have two speakers, Some people just don't have the space for that, and this kind of solves that problem for me. I really like it, and we're really thankful that BenQ was able to send that to us. And you guys should definitely check them out. Any of their types of speaker system like this, they have a bunch of different models and different variants of this, but also other series that are
Okay.
all about small.
Yeah, so it's a good thing to go and check for
Totally.
yourself which model would be best. But the
Exactly.
product, this one is good, so I guess their brand is probably good in general.
Yeah. So yeah, this is definitely good for for any type of musician to listen on the go or listen in a small apartment if they're traveling, or say they're only going to be in a place for a year or two or a couple, not many years, like it's not a permanent place. Great for a small little space. We've been using it for at least 2-3 months, and we've been super happy with it. So yeah, thanks BenQ. Really
Yeah.
appreciate it. Yeah.
I don't have much space on my desk.
No,
because
your
there's
desk is
always
like
music
constantly
all over
full.
the
Yeah.
place.
Yeah, the whole thing about having music everywhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks, BenQ. Hopefully we'll be able to do more little things like that. If you have other tiny little things or something like that, be sure to send it over to us for sure. We like when things are nice and clean and compact, and it goes
it's
against
a
our whole
nice-
dirty atmosphere. Because we're all messy, right?
But it's a nice. Yeah, it's cute too.
And it's cute. I think it's
Looks good.
cute.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have to be folded out to function. You can have
No,
it like
it
this,
works
and it
like
still
this.
works like this as well too. It still works just like this, or folded out as well, like that.
With
Cool.
its ears out.
So thanks BenQ for sending us the Treble OS for us to use. And if you like this video, be sure to like it. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
So thanks BenQ for sending us Treble OS. If you like this video, please be sure to like it. And if you have a question or comment, please leave it down below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
You gotta add a little something. Let's do it finally one more time. Delay Central twice. Fill in the silence! Fill in the silence!
You didn't say that thing about subscription
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
time.